What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This is going to be an unboxing of the Traxxas Power Cell LiPo 2 cell. So let's cut it open and get right into it. I know y'all might be saying like this is similar to the video that you did about the Traxxas batteries, and you're kind of right, but it's just I got it and I figured I'd jump on your screen real quick and show you what I got. There you go. So that's it. It's the 7600, and it's going to be breaking parts for y'all, getting some more videos out to you. So good for that. Keep a lookout for new videos coming up. So since it's boxed, as you know, the traxxas, they only come either not charged at all or halfway charged. It just depends. So we're gonna take it and put it on the charger real quick. Alright, now that it's charging, that's pretty much it. Nothing special. Just keep a lookout, and I'll leave a link in the video if y'all haven't seen the battery video that I made a while back. I think it was 2 videos ago. I'm not real for sure, but go check that video out. Show some love, give it some views, likes, and comment on there. And if you comment on any of my videos, I will reply to you. So just keep a lookout, and catch you guys next time. Peace.